Hello, and this is James Arendt here from MJ Freeway. I'm the Business Intelligence Architect. Today, we're going to review MJ Platform's BI and analytics products and features. So we will review the BI products and offerings, as well as walking through our new MJ Analytics Core Plus, which is our a la carte reporting. So to start off, we'll go over the current products and offerings. So when you purchase MJ Platform, what comes free with that is MJ Analytics Core Reporting. This is all your reports that you can access within Platform. These are the embedded analytics when you click on the Analytics tab on your home screen in Platform. And in addition, we have our MJ Analytics Core Plus product, which is our premium reports that are a la carte reports that you are able to purchase and access these the same exact way that you are with Analytics Core. Next, we have our premium analytics, MJ Analytics Premium Reporting. This is powered by Domo. We have a couple products that come with this. First is our MJ Analytics Premium Single Org, which for a single organization, you get your own Domo site that's fully customizable. And then if you are a MSO or multi-org product company, you can get the MJ Analytics Premium Multi-Org product, which is the same as the single org, but you can now have one aggregated view of all your organizations and facilities and locations all in a single Domo instance, so that you're not logging into multiple sites to pull reports for your whole organization. We also have a custom development tier where we can scope out and build out custom reporting in your Domo instance. We've done this for several clients, such as like the 30-minute cadence for reporting, our enhanced inventory, other things like that. To dive in a little bit more on the premium analytics. So with premium analytics, you get your own Domo site, which you can self-manage, add your own users, customize existing reports, build your own reports, build dashboards. And when you do this, you can also customize your reports to a certain way and then schedule these reports to be sent to a distribution list of other users within your organization. In addition, you can set alerts. With alerts, you can set limits on, say, inventory reaching a certain level or sales reaches a certain level. You can have an email alert sent to a distribution list based on how you set that up. You can also manage your users, create your own internal users, and give them content and object level security, which is meaning letting them see certain reports and not others. And you can also share with any of your custom content with any of the users within your Domo environment. And then finally, like discussed before, the multi-org. If you have multiple organizations, you can put this all in one environment and pull reports by organization, by location, facility, however you like, but have it all in one instance, not having to log into multiple sites. And how the pricing works. So with MJ Analytics Core Reporting, this is free. This comes with your purchase of the platform software. And then with Analytics Core Plus, your first custom report and premium report is $400, followed by $250 for each additional premium report. With MJ Analytics Premium Reporting, which is your own Domo environment, this starts off with the premium single org at $1,500 a month. And for premium multi-org, this is $4,000. So this is the $1,500 plus the $2,500 multi-org reporting. Here's just a list, an overview of all the standard reports you get with MJ Core Reporting. So we broke it down by retail, cultivation, and your E&I reports. A lot of it around inventory, your patients, sales, tracking plants, everything like that. Next, review how Core Plus works. And first, to start off, right now, if you're on your platform site and you're on the analytics tab, you may notice now there's this new tab when you're in the analytics that says for purchase. And this is currently what you'll see right now. And as time goes on, this catalog of new reports available for purchase will grow, but they'll be here. And you have the report name as well as a description of them here. And when you do purchase, how that would look, when you purchase now, you'll see the purchase reports tab. So when you've purchased these reports, it'll be just like your other tabs. You'll see the reports. You can click on them and open and consume just the same way as you do all your other reports. Now to dive in to some of these new premium reports available for purchase for Core Plus, first we'll talk about the sales velocity report. This is a powerful report for a lot of our retail clients when they are just trying to identify what's their fastest selling items. How much do I have on hand? Identify where things are overstocked. Columns in the report include, you see your current quantity on hand, and then see how much sales you've had in the last 4 weeks. And then see how many days on hand you've had it in the last 4 weeks, and then get a calculated field where you're seeing your average daily sales, and then how many weeks or days on hand that you have based on the sales of the last 4 weeks. This is done at the product level as well as the item level, and then you can have some trends, and there's some other visuals on this report to view here. Really powerful tool to manage your inventory and stay ahead of running out of inventory of a high selling product. Next is our inventory snapshot. This report is really important for people that like to do audits of what happened in the past. We get a lot of clients that current inventory report will show you exactly what your inventory is right now, but if you need to see it on a past date, this is the report that gives you that opportunity. So you can select any beginning ending date and see that beginning ending inventory for the last rolling 30 days. And then past 30 days, the beginning of the month, you can see the reports, what your inventory was on that date. So if you ever need to go back and see December 31st, what your ending inventory was, but now it's 3 months ahead of time. This report gives you that opportunity. Next, we have user roles and permissions. With this is helpful for clients that need SOC reporting, and it gives you all the roles, all the users, what their roles associated to them, different slices and dices of that. Good way to manage what users you have and security. And then finally, we have the accounting export. We currently have an accounting export within Platform, but this is now a more beefed up version that is available through BI. With this, you have the same exact 6 reports, but it's all built into one within the BI tool, as well as you can select a lot larger time frame and instantly get that report and be able to export that and import it into your accounting tool. So now I'll switch over real quick to demo. All right, to demonstrate some of these reports, I've logged into one of our test accounts, but you will see this when you're logged in. You see your analytics tab. Here we can click here, and just like you normally can, you see all your other reports. But when you purchase these reports for Core Plus, you will see them that come under this tab. Here we see the 4 reports purchased here. So I will go ahead and click them. They open up a new tab. I'll open up each one. So the first one we'll look at is the user role and permissions. Here we have some filters up here, your roles, permissions, the username, access level. First table is it just looking at just your user roles by user. So every line per user and the role associated to them. That's one view with all these fields. Next, we just have a table of just what permissions are tied to the users for a quick glance that way. And then we have a summary where it's a pivoted table view if you want to quickly see what a grants are to each role. This is a quick way to view that. And then finally, you just have the raw data. If you just want to extract it and manipulate it how you like, you can come here and export it. Next, our inventory snapshot. So here's the view of the report. Very similar to the inventory report, you have some of these fields and dashboards, and then finally your inventory report at the bottom. A key difference here is, again, you have a snapshot of the last rolling 30 days. So here you can select a specific day in the last 30 days. I can go back to 4/26. And then, or you can look at the end of the month for the last 12 months by selecting the ending month. Once you select one of these, say I look at this one, I filter this. Now for this was my ending inventory on 3/31, and I have all my inventory. I can export this and do an audit as necessary. This is our sales velocity, but in this test account, I don't have any sales right now, so not much useful information with this test account. But finally, here's our accounting export. Just like the accounting export and platform, you have your wholesale sales, inventory adjustments, cash till adjustments, COGS, and acquisitions. Here we have a pivoted view of this, so you can actually collapse it if you want to see an aggregated view of all of this. But with it all open, you can select, say, now you need to do last month. You can select the whole month, April 1st through April 30th. Once that's filtered, now all these reports are in one. You can select just one at a time if you like. Just select acquisitions, export it, or you can select all four of them and have all of it in one Excel file that you can export and have all the same columns across all reports and import it into your accounting tool. Alrighty, I hope this was helpful. This is our demonstration of the BI Core Plus product. And that's it, the end.